Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you duplicate an existing landing page in your Unbounce account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to duplicate a landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you find that some of your landing pages are really high performing. So you want to go ahead and duplicate it into another account or for another offer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and duplicate an existing landing page in your Unbounce account, here on the left, make sure that you've clicked on pages. Once you've done that, you're going to see all of the landing pages you have in Unbounce. You can see I just have one. And in order to duplicate this page, all you're going to do is here to the right, click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click on duplicate page. Okay, once you do that, you're going to want to choose all active variants or all inactive variants. So this particular page, I only have one variant in that page. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it checked right there. And then you're going to click on duplicate. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have a copy, which is a duplicate of this landing page in my Unbounce account. So we can easily just click on these three dots and click on edit, and we can go ahead and edit it to match our specific offer. And the URL has changed slightly. You can see Lockwood 7288 as opposed to Lockwood 7287. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to duplicate a landing page in your Unbounce account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.